Rustic rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic rose.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I want to come on here real quick because I know we're at the cup and we're only a few days away from Valentine's Day. And friends, I know a lot of people decorate their little trees for Valentine's Day, for Easter. So anyway, I thought I'd come on here real quick and show you what I picked up. So if you want to go out there and hopefully still find it, you still can. But if not, you can always, if you do find it, you can always save it for next year. So if you're ready, this is what I picked up. And it's called a wooden standing decor, and it is a cute little wooden decor piece, and it's in a cupcake. And at the back, it also comes with the little markers. So if you want to use the markers, you could use these to decorate it with. But you know me, friends, I had to use my apple barrel paints, and I went ahead and painted it up in the style and the decor that I like. And I thought, oh, I have to come on here and show you guys. So if you're ready, let me show you what it looks like. This is how it turned out. Isn't it cute? It turned out so cute, friends, and I thought I had to share it with you. And again, it comes with a little piece that you can put right in here, and you could use it as a standing decor. But I thought it would be a cute idea to add some twine to it and make a little hanger for it and put it on a little Valentine tree. So I wanted to show you real quick that I just went ahead and used my favorite little paints that I wanted to use and how I wanted to decorate it. Use the white for the frosting. And friends, I just used, just my favorite little paint brushes here. And for the little sprinkles, I just picked the colors that I wanted, and I thought it turned out so cute. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the glitter, but I thought I need to add a little glitter because I wanted to make the frosting look like real frosting. Anywho, I thought it turned out so cute. But friends, towards the end, when it's already dry and already done, don't forget to seal it with some Mod Podge, okay, to protect it. But friends, look at how cute it turned out. I thought, cupcakes are really really popular. And how cute would this be on your tree? So anywho, friends, get out there, and hopefully if you can find these, you can still add them to your friends, add them to your tree. And if you don't want to do it, friends, let the kiddos do it for you. I think it's such a cute little craft idea for them. So anywho, I just thought I'd come on here real quick and share that with you. So until we see each other again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to sprinkle me out. So take care. We'll see you later. Bye.
Rustic rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic